Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. If a brake light does not work on Dodge Ram, we need to check one fuse, and we can explain what else can easily cause that, guys. We're going to demonstrate on that generation Dodge Ram. We're going to go ahead, open the hood, and here, guys, under the hood on the driver's side, okay, you have your car battery, and right in front of that car battery is the main fuse box. Press these two tabs at the same time, open that cover. On the inside you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here is what we need to check. Let's zoom in quick. Please, guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to give you one quick advice, that way you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Here, guys, okay, for brake light we need to check one fuse. That's fuse number 10 right here. Check that fuse, guys. Another thing that can easily cause brake light not to work, it could be a bad brake light bulb or brake light assembly if you have LED lights. But if you replace the bulb, make sure you get the correct size bulb. Sometimes, especially for brake light bulbs, they look very close, they look almost identical, but they may differ. If it's different part number, it may not work, or the computer may detect it being wrong and deactivate that function. Another thing, guys, you need to check your brake light switch. If you want to see how to test brake light switch, how to replace brake light switch, we have multiple videos on our YouTube channels. Next, guys, if you replace bulb and it still doesn't work, in some cases, not very often, but it happened to us, you have to reset the body control module. It may have a stored message code in it that detected that the brake light was out, and if you don't check it, okay, clear it, it will not work again. Those will be the first things that we'll check on Dodge Ram brake light not working. So, guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for a peace of mind. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.